Welcome back, guys. Today's message is about how to make memories during the week. Does this sound like you? Do you spend Monday reflecting on the weekend and then you spend the remainder of the week thinking about what you're going to do that next weekend? I looked at a survey. The average American works 260 days out of the year. Now keep in mind we got 365 days. So what that means is that the days off, and that's holidays included, is 29%. There's no way in the world that you should spend 71% of your time focused and planning around the other 29%. Life is too short to live like that. I got some ways that can help you make memories throughout the week, and we're gonna get started right now. Well, that was fast. So one of the biggest ways that you can do stuff during the week, you can grow, you can have fun, is this app called Meetup. Wait, I know. It's not a dating app. It's not a dating app. Don't worry. But it's a place where you get like-minded individuals for different types of hobbies and activities. And they have events, a lot of them being throughout the week. So we'll take a look at it right now just so you can get a better breakdown. Okay, guys, and here we go. Here's the Meetup app. As you see, it's got my location. It's just got different things in the area right now. You see, it's just a variety of things. Just looking, we got career and business. So it's not just about fun either. It's about personal development. We got outdoorsy stuff if you're the outdoorsy type of person. We got stuff to learn if you kind of like me and you like to learn new things. We got health groups. We got tech. It's just such a variety of things. Unless you living in the middle of nowhere, USA, there's going to be something here for you. Okay, as you see, tons of stuff you can do there. Unless you're in Hickville, USA, it's going to be events for you. Now, before I move to my next point, if you're finding value in this content, what I want you to do is hit the like button for me right now. It helps the channel grow. I appreciate everything. Our next thing we could do, it's going to be an app too. Now, this one is Eventbrite. Now, Eventbrite, it more so has more nightlife related things, but it also has some things for hobbies and personal development. So it sometimes can be a good one to use as well. We'll look at it really quickly too. All right, guys, as you see, here's the Eventbrite app, similar to Meetup. This one kind of, at least in my area, is more so with the nightlife stuff, but you still have the different options, and it's got different categories that you can separate it and just see what applies to you as you see. I'm just playing around with it just to see what's available. So once again, another great app that you can utilize. Two great apps that you can use, and that's going to help you. Like you see, it's got it throughout the whole week. So you don't have to keep waiting for those weekends and just those vacations to make memories, to learn new stuff, to do new things. It's so much different things, and that's going to last longer than you binge watching Netflix, watching movies, or whatever your routine is. You get to make a real memory during the week. And then you get that big memory during the week, and you still got the weekend, you still got your vacation time and time off. So you getting more time where you making those memories and you having that value. On the weekdays, it doesn't even have to be about going somewhere to make memories and maximizing time. It could be spending more time with your family. Another big thing, and this is the biggest thing, make the time spent at work be worth it. This one is a tough one, damn near another video, but maybe it's time to look at what you're doing. You want a level of fulfillment in what you're doing too, because if most of your time is at work, generally you want it to be fulfilling work and enjoyable work. So that may be something to think about too. Think of ways to elevate work, to make it worthwhile for you. That could be a different job. It could be different responsibilities at the job. It may even be a career change. Life's too short to be spending most of your time just worried about a couple of days out of the year. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'm out.